It's grocery haul time, and today I went to Trader Joe's, which is my regular place. So I won't say that I got all my normal things. I was with all 5 kids alone, so I wasn't there for as long as I normally am. But this is probably a good idea of a weekly shop for us. Cool, buddy. So I'll just go down the line and show you. I love their charcoal because it's not full of chemicals and it's more healthy because it's the hardwood. So we use this to make, what do you call it? BBQ chicken. Really good with you just take the Trader Joe's chicken thighs, or any chicken thighs really, the frozen ones, and you can cook them frozen on the grill. All right, so we've got oven roasted turkey breast. This is the one that I buy every time. It's only $2.99, and I just like the flavor of this one. All right, we make homemade pizza with my sprouted wheat, and it's really good. We got 2 bags of this organic 3-cheese blend. Some of this organic cheddar cheese. This is really good. I got a ton of these celery hearts because I just bought a juicer. I was using my Vitamix to juice, but now I'm using a juicer for celery juice every morning. We always buy these carrots. So good. These purple carrots are the best. So I got 2 packs of this. Bunch of celery hearts, carrots, this organic rainbow cauliflower. I just throw some salt and pepper and ghee on there and it's really good. Avocados. I use this to make my paleo ice cream. Okay, so my kids eat these pink lady apples, 1 every day for each of them. And then I eat some, so we get a lot of apples. These mango slices are some of our favorites. So I just get oranges so I can juice them. This is our favorite gluten-free bread from Trader Joe's. I got this. This is a new thing that I'm going to try. It's just a spice blend that you can put on chicken or dip your bread in with olive oil, so it looked really good. We love plantain chips, so I got 4 bags of the regular, and then they have this new kind that's called jerk style plantain chips. So I got 4 bags of those. We're going to try those. All right, sunflower butter. I got some of this dark chocolate, some of this dark chocolate, some of this. We just keep it in our fridge to snack on. Bunch of bananas, 2 bags of these corn chips. I got 2 bags of these freeze-dried banana slices. I like these for babies. If you're looking for a good alternative to like the sugary baby snacks, these are much better. They're just bananas. And because they're freeze-dried, they're really fun texture. So I give these to the babies to snack on in little tiny pieces. And then some of this raspberry preserves. 4 cans of this organic chili. When I'm just feeling really tired, like I don't really want to make dinner, I'll just throw this onto something like potatoes or chips or whatever, just to make a quick dinner. The kids actually love that too. I'm gonna try this new dressing that they have, the balsamic and fig. That'll be interesting. Some taco shells. We have tacos about once a week, but probably should have gotten 2 because our family finishes 1 and we often don't have enough, so should have gotten 2. I really like these potatoes. They're easy to you don't even have to cut them. You can just throw olive oil, salt and pepper on them and throw them in the oven. It makes a really easy side. Here's some more apples. And then 2 of these blue corn tortilla chips. I get these every time I go. They're really good. Some baby spinach and some sweet onions. And I pretty much put these on like every meal that we have. Yeah, that is it for my haul this week. Leave in the comments what you guys want to see with hauls. I would really like to do a Costco one, but I'm not really planning on going to Costco unless Will is with me because it's crazy. So tell me what kind of hauls you guys like to see when it comes to groceries, because I really want to show you. But this is pretty much a regular haul for us. I didn't include like frozen chicken and things like that because I didn't have to get that this time. But that concludes this haul. So I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.